ferry landing right here, and I'm actually going to head over to the convention center and then just take a walk from there and check out to see what's going on over here. Right now we are inside this really cool little water taxi, and we are now moving. Really cool. Look at this. In the water taxi. And there is the landing where I just came from. This is who's on the boat right here. And now this is coming into the convention center, and then we'll take a walk down to maybe Broadway Pier and see how that goes. Yachts right here. This is awesome. Look at that. Look at the size of that thing. And right behind those yachts is the San Diego Convention Center. The Aurora. Wow, look at the size of that thing. Figaro. Really cool. And coming in. So moored alongside and getting ready to get off this water taxi here over at the convention center, and this ought to be pretty cool. I'm gonna make my way down to Broadway Pier and check that the moon dive doggy. Look at this thing. That thing is huge. Must be one of those private ones. But now, this is the ferry landing taxi. There it is. Pretty cool. So just to give you an idea, I just arrived over here from Coronado, and this is where you get the ferry tickets. I actually got mine online, really easy to purchase. $7 got me over here, and it should probably another $7 to get me back. So actually now I'm heading toward Broadway Pier, and I'm currently right around the Embarcadero area in downtown San Diego. So check it out. This is part of the marina, and I'm heading this way. It's a really cloudy day out today. That is the convention center. Look at these yachts right here. Look at this thing. That thing is really cool. Wow. So sleek. Wonder who owns that thing. That is nice. Very cool yacht. Let's see, Parks, Seaport Village, Star of India and Midway. This way. Village. I haven't been down here in quite a long time. Very cool. Go inside here and see what's happening inside the village. So this is kind of on my way to Broadway pier, so I thought I'd swing through Seaport Village, and this is just part of it right here, which is on the Embarcadero. Take a walk this way. A little bit of action going on. Very quiet. I mean, it's only Wednesday in the morning, so it's not like weekend. I do plan on coming here on the weekend to see how it is. Overlooking San Diego Bay. Check out this statue. Very neat. Here it is, Embarcadero Park, right near Seaport Village. Very neat. A little bit of a Seaport Village action. Very beautiful. So this is really neat. This is the USS San Diego CL-53 light cruiser. These are some of the major campaigns. Launched 26 July 1941, and it was decommissioned 4 November 1946. So very cool. So I'm now over here, just right off the Midway. I'm making my way to the kissing couple statue, which is over here right up there. And there is the USS Midway, and that is really neat. Look at that. I do have to go on there. Haven't been on there yet, but do plan on going. Embracing peace, but when you look it up, it actually, they call it the kissing couple. So I'm actually heading over to Broadway pier so I can get back on the ferry to go back over to Coronado. But right here, I'm almost to the aft area of the Midway. Look at this. So very cool right here. USS Midway from the aft. Stern area. So I just got my ticket, which was $7, and you get it right here at this place called the Flagship. Now, since when I came over, I didn't get a round trip ticket, so $14 round trip to get here to Coronado and back. And now I wait to get on the ferry, which he said is gate 2 to Coronado. So this would be pretty cool. Now I actually took the water taxi coming over, which is just a little bit smaller craft. Now I'm going on the ferry. Pretty neat. There it is, called the Silver Gate. Pretty cool. So, party down here at Embarcadero. There's the Midway. Ready to leave the ferry after we get tied up. Now this is the actual lower area of the ferry if you want to sit down here. Obviously you don't have as much view as you do up there, but this is the lower area. Very cool. One at a time. That's what we get off, just right there. Very cool. Very cool. So this is the end of this video right here of my adventure down here traveling in a ferry boat from Coronado to the convention center downtown, and then walking down to the kissing couple or embrace piece, which is a big statue. Very cool. You can see it in the video, which you already saw if you made it to this point. Really fun. It's $7 to go across, $7 to get back. So I took this small little water taxi over. I paid online initially when I first got down here, and then when I get to the Flagship area, I just went up to the ticket office and paid $7 to get across, and then took the ferry this time. And you can see the video footage on that when you watch the video. So thank you very much, and I hope to see you in my next video. And this is a lasting shot of beautiful San Diego Bay. Look at that. And there is my ferry. Actually, I have both. They got the water taxi and the ferry. And you see the little one, that's what I actually went over in. So, see you guys.